What's going on, guys? This is Rod from Bexar County Bigfoot. So we're back at the structure that I had found on the creek bed off of the creek greenbelt that I've been keeping tabs on for quite some time now. A couple of wilderness parks, or well, actually a few wilderness parks that are connected to it, and it's pretty interesting. So this is the structure now it's changed. It's pretty interesting. This is the one that I've posted about, made a video of not too long ago. So it's changed up. I mean, look at this bigger piece. This is new right here. That's new. I mean, look at these bigger pieces. Look at this. Look how much bigger that is. These pieces, I don't believe were here. I mean, this is good size right there. I mean, that's this one right here. That's huge. I mean, just interesting. This has changed tremendously, and now we've got this metal, like, I guess tin barrel, or I don't know, whatever this is here, but got a few rocks here that have been placed. Here we go. This is something that I commonly see all the time. This is something you see all the time. It's like fake fire ring, fake fire pit. Find these a lot with the structures. Pretty interesting. So here's the inside. It's changed up. I mean, for being the A-frame simple structure that it is, it's changed up, I feel like, pretty drastically. Feather right there. Sometimes I'll find those. Another feather right there. This is new. I haven't seen that. Wow. This is it's pretty cool. Look at that. I mean, this piece right here, like, is it kids? With pieces this big, this big around, this tall. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't think so. I just look at the side of it. It's let's step back here so we can look at. That's good size, man. That is good. It's a good size structure. Go around here. Plenty of big. This is a Y. You see those a lot. Y pieces here. Hear the dogs in the background. Residential area that's further up. But, I mean, just check this out, man. This has changed. If you guys saw the video I did with this particular structure, creek bed, you know that it's changed drastically. For those of you that haven't, refer back to the creek bed structure, and you'll see the difference. It's a huge difference. I mean, these pieces here. I mean, that's significant. The other thing I found were some sticklings. Look at this, right next, like they're starting another one. Like another A-frame structure in the works here. Stickling, this right here. Super stoked. This thing has changed. It's interesting. It just blows me away. It truly does. I mean, these big pieces like this. Why would a human do this, right? I always have to ask myself these questions, For what reason? I can match up a structure like this up against somebody else that has posted a video of a structure, an A-frame structure like this in Utah, California, Oregon, Washington State. The list goes on. It just baffles me. This is kind of weird. I find the strangest things around these structures. Is there anything different here? Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's fastened together, so is that right there. That's interesting. Some of these little intricacies that you see, to me, Rich, look at this piece right here. That's it up there. This is just, there's typically, this is a rock bed, but there's typically rocks. When I find these structures on the inside, there's typically rocks that are gathered and fashioned in a certain way. Whether if they're stacked or just, feathers, we find those. And again, look, fake fire pit. I find these a lot. In and around the structures, fake fire pit, always. Wow. I don't know. This is pretty cool. Really, really cool. Okay, guys, well, there it is. So cool. You can hear people jogging on the other side of this green belt. Nevertheless, this thing has gotten grander. I wonder what it's going to evolve to next. I don't know. We'll keep tabs on it, though. All right, guys, as always, appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos and subscribing. If you like what you see, please feel free to share, hit that subscribe button. I always appreciate any input, any wisdom anybody wants to impart. But as always, appreciate every single one of you. And thank you for watching Bexar County Bigfoot.